Good morning and welcome to Buddy at Bert's Garage. This is where we're in the process of restoring a 74 MGB. I've had it for about 2.5 years, been working on it a little bit at a time, making mistakes, but learning and trying to do as much work as possible myself. Nothing crazy, but just a nice project. So I want to invite you to join me, share, like, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And so let's get to work. Roll up your sleeves and you can learn something. Anyone can do this. This is not rocket science. So it's a lot of fun. So come along, let's take a look. Okay, afternoon. I got the hood on, not too bad. Put the new lifts, new struts on. Not doing too bad. It did mess up my bonnet, but I've got to repaint anyway, so I'll just touch this up when I go back. But it's not fitting too bad. I did put the louvers on the wrong side. They go on this side, not that side. But I'm not that far along yet. But the car's running good. I do have a problem. I can't figure out if it's the toe end when I put new tow rods on, if I have the alignment messed up, because this fender, the way it lines with this tire is not like this one, and so there's like a more of a curve right here, or the other one's straighter down. So I know the car was hit in the front, but it looks like that side, on the right side, something's black on it. So I might have to tear all this apart and figure out what's going on, but no big deal. Just one more thing. I did get the interior back together. I got the radio in, the retro looking radio. It's pretty decent. Seems to be running pretty good. And of course, I'm working on my die. I'm going to work on that this afternoon to make my louvers. Pretty much, this will be sitting down flat, and the fine tuning to do to get it to slide in there nice and smooth. And once I do that, I'm going to build a flat table to put the hood on, and to put the press here and have the die go into the press. But if the press will go here, and then the tool will go in to press the louvers. But that's where we stand. So that's the update for this week. Share, like, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you. I do want to give you an update on my louver press. This is the press, and and you hammer this piece in, and what this does, it creates a louver by the if you look at the back of this, it's curved and everything, and the louver will match this, and it's only going to go as deep as this is, so it's not going to go all the way through. It's going to stop on a piece of wood. I also added some bolts on the back that I'll bolt this down so it won't move around. Once I'll bolt that to this piece of wood I have over here, the flat piece, and then I'll put a piece of carpet on it so it's not going to mess the hood up anymore than it already is. So that's my little press. Still got some fine tuning. I want to sand it really nice and smooth, get it nice and smooth. I'm not going to bore you with that. So that's what we got going on. Then I'm going to take the hood off, and I'm going to test it. I've got some metal pieces sitting over here that I'm going to use as a test and see how it does, and we'll see. So stay tuned. Coming attractions, and we'll see how the old press does, the tool and die. It's a little aggravating. My welding, at least it gives me time to work on my welds, and I really have come a long ways on that, but we'll see. Thanks.